If you've been learning math for a while, then you probably already know a thing or two about fractions. And if you've ever had to, well, break a cookie in half to share with a friend, well, then you've used fractions in real life. Oh, well, thank you. That's because fractions are used to represent smaller pieces or parts of things. When you're first learning about fractions, it can help to draw pictures to see how they work. So let's start by drawing a circle. Now this circle represents what we call a hole. Now, not the kind of hole you can fall into, more like a whole cookie or a whole pizza. Now, if we divide that circle or whole amount into 4 parts, then we call each of those parts a fraction of the original whole circle. Because this is math and not art, we can't just keep on drawing pictures. We need to learn how to write out fractions using the language of math. Yep, you guessed it. That means using numbers. Unlike a regular number, to write a fraction you need 2 numbers, one number on top, one number on bottom, and a line between them. I'll explain exactly what the line's for later in the video. But for now, let's figure out what those 2 numbers mean. Remember, fractions are used to represent parts of something. And the number on the bottom tells us how many parts that something is divided into. The number on top tells us how many of those parts we have. For example, let's write a fraction for our drawing here. I divided the circle into 4 parts, right? So the number on the bottom will be 4. And I still have all 4 of those parts, so the number on top will also be 4. I have 4 out of 4 parts. That means I still have a whole circle. But what if somebody came by and took away 1 part from the circle? Well, the circle's still divided into 4 parts, so the bottom number would still be 4. But I only have 3 of those parts left. So that means the top number will change to 3. So I have 3 over 4, or 3/4 of a circle. Make sense so far? Good. Let's try another example. Let's say that I divide a rectangle up into 8 parts, and I give you 3 of those parts. Since the total number of parts is 8, the bottom number will be 8. And since you have 3 of those parts, the top number will be 3. So the fraction I'm giving you is 3 over 8, or 3/8 of the rectangle. No need to think. Oh, and it's important to remember that for fractions to work right, the parts that you divide the whole up into have to be equal. We can't take a candy bar and say, well, I'm going to divide it into 2 parts, so this is your half, and here's my half. Let's look at a few more examples so you can really see the pattern of how fractions can represent parts of objects. This rectangle is divided up into 3 equal parts, and 2 of them are shaded red. So 2 over 3, or 2/3 of the rectangle, is shaded red. The circle is...
So please give me the fraction of shaded parts. So ma'am, please paste the names here. Kids, give me the fraction. And Bhayu has also joined. Has Bhayu joined? No, he's joining, but...
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, you covered the screen. I cannot see.
So,
Yes, sir.
sir, I joined from my iPad.
All right, beta. So everyone send the fraction of the shaded parts.
Yes.
Sir, I have sent you. Sir,
Don't
how will
worry.
we send?
And
Sir,
बेटा for the line ना आप एक slash की होता है shift के बगल में, you use that. Fraction के लिए ना जैसे मान लो आपको 2/5 करना है, so you will do 2/5. This slash is near the shift key. Near shift key.
sir. Okay, sir, understood.
Aisha, did you bring something for me?
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, I
Good
brought
evening,
you, but
Bhayu.
I don't know how to give it to you. Sir, sent you. I think it is. Sir, I only got chocolates for me also. chocolates and bracelets.
So Adhiraj, Vida and Bhayu,
Sir, I have sent to you.
Beta don't send to me, send to Ragini ma'am. And Adhiraj, are you there?
Yes, sir, I've sent to.
Okay, Adhiraj, how many parts are shaded? Tell me. Adhiraj, how many parts are shaded?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And how many total parts are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12.
12. So the fraction will be 7 upon 12. In the chat, you can send 7/12 like this.
सर मैंने उल्टा कर दिया.
That's why we are practicing.
Divided into 12 equal
की जगह 10
and
लिख दो.
7 of those parts are shaded green. So 7 over 12, or 7/12 of the circle, is shaded green. The hexagon
All right, give the answer for this. So you have this time you have to give weight. Fraction of unshaded part. Fraction of unshaded part. You have to give.
Okay. Answer.
So Mr. Bhayu, why are you not sending your answer?
Sir, we also didn't send.
Mr. Bhayu. Is Bhayu here? Beta, how? I have asked fraction of unshaded. कितने parts unshaded दिख रहे हैं Mr. Bhayu? So one is unshaded. Total parts कितने हैं? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So fraction of unshaded part is 1/6. Got it? Mr. Bhayu, got it?
is divided into 6 equal parts, and 5 of those parts are shaded blue. So 5 over 6, or 5/6 of the hexagon, is shaded blue. All right, so you can see how fractions can be used to represent parts of objects like circles and rectangles, but fractions can be used for more than that. They can be used to represent parts of, well, anything, like pets, for example. Let's say you have 7 pets, 4 dogs, 2 cats, and a big fat hamster. Well, that means that 4 over 7, or 4/7 of your pets are dogs, and 2 over 7, or 2/7 of your pets are cats, and 1 over 7, or 1/7 of your pets are hamsters. It also means that your house probably smells like a pet store. Okay. So fractions can be used to represent anything from parts of a circle to kitty cats. But did you know that fractions can also be used to represent things you can't even see? Well, like a score, for example. Let's say you take a math test and there's 20 questions on the test, and you get 17 of those questions right. That means that you got 17 over 20, or 17/20 of the questions right. All right, so that's the basic idea of how fractions can be used to represent parts of things. But there's a lot more to fractions than that. In the next section, we're going to be looking at some of the other things we can do with fractions. But before that, let's review. Fractions are used to represent parts of a whole. Fractions are written in the form of a top number over a bottom number with a line between them. The bottom number represents how many parts the whole is divided into, and the top number represents how many of those parts you have. And finally, the parts that a whole is divided up into must be equal for fractions to work right. To really understand how fractions are used to represent parts of things, be sure to do the exercises. And I'll see you in section 2.
Coming all the way down to crouch, snuggling those arms in between our knees and press.
All right, have we understood, guys?
Huh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So Bhayu, I asked you a question, why you were not answering? You are mute. Again, you are mute.
Sir, I have mute, sir.
Why you were on mute? Who asked you to be on mute?
Sir, I have sending the answer.
All right. Adiraj, beta, don't do all this. So next, we are going to study about proper fractions, and you guys will have to write today. So write it properly. What is a proper fraction? Does anyone know? Does anyone know? No or don't?
Written this in grade 3.
We have done this or not?
Sir, we have done this in grade 3, so I have it written in my notebook.
Wait,
Proper
Vedanta,
fraction.
no one is going to tell like this. Just raise your hand. So Diksha, please tell. Veda, please remove your headrest.
So proper fractions are fractions when the denominator, the numerator is smaller than the denominator.
Numerator is lesser than denominator. So please note it down.
Sir,
Proper fractions. So fractions in which numerator is lesser than denominator. For example,
Sir, in third we had written, so I have written it down.
so Dr. Aisha, give me an example.
Sir, of proper fraction.
Yes.
7.
Yeah.
1/7.
1/7, 3/5. So next, who wants to give the answer of improper fractions?
Ma'am, sir, can I tell?
Yes, Dr. Aisha.
Sir, improper fractions are when the numerator is greater than the denominator.
Numerator is greater than terminator.
Sir, for example,
For
15
example,
upon
5/3.
For example,
5/3, 7/1.
15/3 and 7.
5/3, 7/1, 10/7. Next, we have unit
Please
fraction.
wait, sir, please wait.
Sir, you will not tell mixed fraction.
Peter, I will tell everything. Don't worry. So, who wants to give the answer of unit fractions?
Sir, please wait. I know the answer.
So, yes, naughty boy.
Sir, where the numerator is 1.
Very good. Numerator fractions with numerator 1. For example,
1/7.
why everyone likes 7 so much? 1/7, 1/11,
1/9.
1/3.
1/3 also.
Sir, please wait.
सर यूनिट फ्रैक्शंस का डिनोमिनेटर कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Yes, beta. Unit fractions का denominator कुछ भी हो सकता है. Osama bin Laden.
So please wait.
Sir, why do you call him Osama bin Laden? Why don't you normally just call him Osama?
Because he is a relative of Osama bin Laden.
सर में तो सामा लिखा नहीं है, सैमी लिखा हुआ है.
Next is mixed fraction, beta. You
So
cannot
please
tell every number.
wait.
सर मिक्स फ्रैक्शन खुद को चक्री में मिक्स कर लेते हैं.
Yes, beta. Very good. You can write the same thing in exam also.
These are very bad. Shame on you.
Oh, guys, no, don't use that language. Adhika, keep your camera on.
Sir, Aisha's camera is off. It is on.
So, who wants to give the definition of mixed fractions? Yes, Osama.
The fraction with whole number and numerator and denominator.
Oh, beta.
Sir, I don't want
Sir,
to.
you know tomorrow is my birthday.
Yes,
Sir,
I know.
tomorrow is
Fractions with
Daddy's birthday.
whole
She's
part
turning
and fraction part. So fractions with whole part and fractional part. For example,
7/7.
what?
3/7/8.
3/7/8.
Sir, I didn't understand a चक्री में घूमने वाला fraction.
Yes, I will tell you, Peter. This is your whole. This is your whole number, which is full. And this is your fraction number.
तो मुझे नहीं आ रहा समझ.
मैं बता रहा हूँ बेटा. Suppose what happens, Rita goes to a pizza shop. So she eats the whole pizza.
मैं तो समझ नहीं हूँ. सर
She
बहुत
eats the whole pizza.
बोला.
Yes. So now her stomach starts aching also, but still, we all know Rita, she wants to eat more. So she said, Mama, I'm hungry. I want to eat one more pizza. Mama said, your stomach will get upset. She said, no, Mama, I'm fine. So dear Mama ordered one more pizza. So, but she could eat only one part of that pizza. This one. And her stomach started aching very badly. So how much pizza is eaten by Rida Kaur? Let's say उसने फिर भी उसका stomach ache हो रहा था, उसने एक और खा लिया.
चलो जी.
So how much pizza is eaten by Rida Kaur?
सर मैं एक नंबर की भूख करनी हूँ.
Firstly, she ate one full pizza. अभी भी खा रहे हो Rida? You are eating right now also, beta.
Sir, I have sent the answer only.
Sir,
So
can I
this first she ate one full pizza. Then she ate 2/4 parts of pizza. So how much total pizza is eaten by her? 1 2/4. So one whole pizza and this is the fraction.
1, 2, 3.
Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Now Dr. Aisha brought chocolates for me.
Listen.
So first of all,
और हाँ.
he bought very small chocolates. So first of all, I ate full.
अरे बच्ची.
Then she said,
चुप रह Rida.
everyone keep quiet. Then Rida and Aisha, beta, don't do like this during the class. So then she said, ki sir, eat one more. So I ate one more. Then after eating the second one, like it was too much sugar. So what I did, the first one I ate it complete, the second one I ate complete, the third one I ate this much. So total I have eaten 2, 1/4, this
What
much part.
were you eating? Sir, what were you eating?
Chocolate.
Sir, I did not understand.
बेटा सी आपने ये 1 फुल मैंने खाई चॉकलेट, ये 1 फुल खाई, टोटल मैंने कितनी फुल चॉकलेट्स खा ली?
Sir, 2.
So that 2 whole comes here. This
Sir,
thing you understood?
आपने 3 parts बनाए हैं चॉकलेट के अपने नीचे
बेटा मैं
पूरे।
3 पार्ट्स, पहले आपको ये 2 फुल चॉकलेट समझ आ गई बेटा, इसमें भी मैं 3 पार्ट्स बना सकता हूँ, बट पहले आपको मैंने 2 चॉकलेट्स खा ली. दिस थिंग यू अंडरस्टूड? 2 whole chocolates I have eaten. Aisha, are you looking at the screen?
Yes, sir.
Now from the third chocolate I have eaten, oh, this is 3, so this will be 3, sorry. So from the third chocolate I have eaten 1/3. So I have eaten a total of 2 1/3 chocolates. Understood, Aisha?
Yes, sir.
All right. So now if we have an improper fraction, जैसे मेरे पास है improper fraction, I can convert it into mixed. I can convert improper fraction to mixed. So how do I convert? Let's see, let me give you an example. I have 7/4. So when I divide 7/4, what will be my quotient? Quotient will be 1, remainder will be 3, correct? Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
So if I have to convert 7/4 into mixed fraction, मैं पहले quotient लिखूंगा, then मैं ऊपर remainder लिखूंगा और नीचे divisor लिखूंगा like this.
Sir, I did not understand.
बेटा मुझे करने तो दो, आप अपने खेलना बंद करोगे, कंसंट्रेट करोगे. आयशा, डू यू हैव द नोटबुक विद यू?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you open it, beta? Now you will understand it better. Can you leave everything else what you are doing, Aisha?
Yes, sir.
So here I write the quotient. आपको समझ में आया ये quotient है?
Yes, sir.
Here I write the remainder. आपको समझ आया ये remainder है?
Yes, sir.
So how do I write it? Here I write the quotient, ऊपर remainder और नीचे जो divisor होता है वो same रहता है, नीचे divisor. I call it QRD. QRD. Everyone can note it down. QRD. Quotient आपको 7/4. Everyone knows it means that I have to divide 7 things. It can be cakes, it can be chocolates, into 4 parts. Everyone know this or don't know? Fraction is actually division.
Sir, quotient, remainder, and
Divisor and divisor. Fraction is actually what? Division. 15/7 है, means 15 divided by 7. Do we know that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
All
sir.
right, तो मैं क्वेश्चन दूं, सब कर लेंगे. So convert this. अच्छा, how will you send the mixed fraction in the chat? जैसे आपको 1 3/4 भेजना है, तो पहले आप 1 टाइप करो. कर लेंगे सब लोग?
Yes,
Then you give a space or underscore. This underscore is where this underscore will be near 0 की.
yes, sir.
आपको नहीं मिले तो आप स्पेस दे सकते हो. Then you will write 3/4. Can everyone type the mixed fraction like this? Or you can type 1 space 3/4. ये भी चलेगा. Can everyone type it like this in the chat?
Yes, sir.
So all right, convert 23/7 into mixed. 1 minute question, give it in the chat.
7, 3, 4.
Rida, remove the headrest, beta. Rida and Aisha.
Sir, I don't have a headrest only.
Yeah, beta, this is your headrest only. I'm head को rest करा देते हो.
QRD question.
Mr. Bayu, where is my answer? Mr. Bayu. Bayu, you can speak your answer. Answer बोल दो.
Sir, yes, sir.
Answer, beta, answer.
Sir, 2, 3 by 7.
2, 3 by 7 नहीं beta. Quotient will be 3. Remainder will be 2. And divisor is 7. So we will write it as 3, 2 by 7. 3 wholes हैं. 2 by 7 is fraction. So in the chat you will give 3/2 by 7. भाई next time से मुझे answer time पे आना चाहिए. समझ आया? Do we understand? So kids, we'll take a break. We'll resume after the break.
Sir,
Convert.
break over?
Yes, sir. Convert 15 by 4 into mixed fraction. Fifteen by 4. It's 15 by 4.
Sir, we have to do mixed fraction.
Yes.
Sir, I cannot see the screen.
Rejoin beta.
Sir, I rejoin now again. I cannot see. Sir, can I rejoin again?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have sent.
So, Bhayu, what's my answer?
Sir, I have said five 1/4.
तो 5 कैसे आ जाएगा? आप 15 को 4 से डिवाइड करोगे, क्वेश्चन 5 आएगा. Naughty boy, what's my answer?
Yes, sir.
Abhiraj, what's my answer, beta?
Sir. Sir, 3
Yes.
slash 15 slash 4.
Beta, why 15? I said QRD. So 3 is the quotient. And what's the remainder? 3. So 3 will come here and 4. So 3/4 will be my answer. Understood, Bhayu and Naughty boy?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
next question. Converted into mixed. Dr. Aisha, Bhayu, send your answer.
Sir, I'm sending. Sir, what do we have to do?
Beta, you have to convert into mixed. You can speak your answer, Aisha.
Sir, I have not done.
Next, Bhayu, आप answer बोल दो बेटा.
Yes, sir. Sir, the answer is 5/4. 5.
बेटा आपने 21 को 5 से डिवाइड किया. What's the quotient? You tell me. What's the quotient for you?
Sir, the quotient is 5.
5 means आपको 21 को 5 से डिवाइड करना नहीं आता भैया. Means 5 5s are 25 लिखोगे आप. ऐसे डिवाइड करोगे.
Sir,
Aisha, keep your camera on. What you will write बेटा? आपको 21 को 5 से division you want me to teach you?
sir, 4 is of 5, 4. Yeah.
5 4s are 20. Remainder will be 1. So what will you write here? What will be my answer now? Tell me.
Sir, sir, 4 1/5.
4 1/5. Now don't make a mistake in division भैया. अगर आपको नहीं हो रहा oral division तो आप copy में कर लो.
Okay, sir.
Next question. So Diksha, don't annotate. Aisha, don't miss the answer this time. And Bhayu, this time you have to send in the chat like other kids.
Okay, sir.
17. Yes. 5 0 that's cool. Bye.
Dr. Aisha, speak your answer.
Sir, I'm doing 1 second.
Adhiraj, you can send your answer once again.
Sir, can I
Okay.
tell?
Yes, you can tell.
Sir, 1, then 2 upon 3.
बेटा आपने 17 को 3 से डिवाइड किया, क्वेश्चन 1 आया. Seriously, the question is 1.
Sir,
Sir,
the quotient is 5.
So beta, that will come here. Now the formula is QRT. So your quotient will come here.
Sir, I did like QR code.
Aisha, beta, don't mute me, otherwise I can't explain.
Sorry, sir.
Yes. So tell me what's the answer again, Aisha.
QRT. Sir, 5,
5,
3 upon 2.
3 upon 2 नहीं बेटा. 3 5s are 15 करेंगे. Aisha, आप concentrate नहीं कर रहे properly. So remainder will be 2. So quotient यहाँ पे आता है, remainder ऊपर आता है, जो नीचे है वो ये नीचे ही रहता है. So answer will be 5 2 by 3. Understood, Aisha? अब बेटा इस बार भी गलती नहीं होगी. देखो सिंपल डिवीजन है, कुछ भी नहीं किया मैंने. आंसर यहाँ लिख दिया, रिमाइंडर ऊपर लिख दिया, नीचे डिवाइसर लिख दिया. अब बेटा इज इट सो डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड?
No, sir.
Then बेटा why are you making so many mistakes? Pay attention. अगर आप पे अटेंशन करोगे तो मिस्टेक होगी ही नहीं, वरना फिर एक ही क्वेश्चन को हम 1000 टाइम्स भी कर लेंगे. If you are so distracted, बेटा, you will not be able to do it. Do it. Next question. आयशा स्टार्ट कर दिया करना.
Yes, sir. Question 3 है. Remainder. Sir,
So this is such a boring class. Just doing mixed fractions, improper fractions into mixed fractions. It's very boring. Can we do difficult questions? Yes, sir, please do difficult questions.
I by mistakenly did
No बेटा,
right.
कोई बाय मिस्टेकली नहीं. आप पे अटेंशन नहीं कर रहे हो. That's why you are getting simple questions wrong, Aish. तो आप मुझे आंसर बोल दो, क्या आंसर है आपका?
Sir, 3 1 upon 7.
3 1 upon 7. So you have to first send the whole part like this: 3 slash 1 upon 1 dash 7.
I strictly wrote 7.
All right, Aisha, understood how you have to send?
Yes, sir.
Chalo guys, so now we will do the opposite. We will convert mixed into improper. We will convert mixed into improper. Remember, we can convert improper to mixed and mixed to improper. So how we will do, suppose we have the number 235. So the process is very simple. Multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply and add.
Multiply and add.
So 5 into 2 plus 3. So what will I get? 13. So my answer would be 13 by 5. So 5 multiplied by 2, 10 plus 3, 13 upon 5. Divisor remains
Oh.
same. Yes,
I disconnected. Can you please repeat?
I will repeat, Peter. So when we have to convert from mixed to improper, so the process is very simple. We multiply and then we add. We multiply and then we add. So that's the process. 1 second, let me refresh.
Sir, the page you are sharing on my screen is zoomed up and it's not like I'm not
Okay.
able to see the screen properly.
You will be able to see the screen now. Let's do it. Next question. 3, 7 by 4. We have understood, right? First we multiply, then we add. Do it, guys. Give an improper fraction.
So we have to multiply 7 and 3.
Yes. So, Mr. Bhayu, what's my answer?
Sir, 25 by 7.
25 by 7. Rita, first we multiply 7 into 3, 21 plus 4. So I will get 25 by 7. Got it, Rita? Rita got it? Where is she? She got disconnected or she left. Next question. Do the next two in one message, guys. Do this also.
Multiply by 4.
Sir, I have by mistakenly sent only one answer.
All right, guys. So the answers are 5 by 3 and 21 by 5. So we have understood properly. Now, guys, I'll explain you the meaning of 3 1 by 7. Though I have explained you what does it mean? It means that three full parts of something. If I give you 3 by 7, it means 3 1 by 7, it means three full parts of something. So this is one full part. It can be, you can imagine it is a chocolate, you can imagine it as anything. So one part, two parts, and three full parts means one more I will draw. And then this much. Adhiraj, don't annotate it up. So this is 1 by 7 if I take this as a whole. One second. So 3 1 by 7 would mean 1. This is my 1 whole. This is my 2 whole. This is my 3 whole. And this is my 1 by 7. So this is 3 and 1 by 7. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if I give you a figure like this, if you know, just raise your hand. If I give you and we have this. So raise your hand who can give me the mixed fraction for this. Dr. Aisha, what is the mixed fraction for this? Mr. Bhayu, what's the mixed fraction for this?
Sir, uh, 2 1 by 3.
It's wrong. Dr. Aisha, you want to correct him?
Sir, sir,
Yes, Gupta ji.
2 1 by 2.
2 1 by 2 is correct. These are two wholes and this is 1 by 2. So mixed fraction will be 2 1 by 2. So okay kids, that's all for today. I will see you in the next class. Thank you Rida for joining in.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Happy
Bye,
birthday
sir.
Rida. Everyone please
Bye,
wish
sir.
Rida happy birthday.
Bye, sir.
Happy birthday, Rida.
Happy birthday, Rida. Happy birthday,
Bye.
Rida, in advance.
Bye guys.
Bye, sir.
Yeah.
Bye, sir.